Good morning, everyone. This is Todd Brow with Senior Insurance Marketing, and we're excited to have with us today Jesse Brewer from SureBridge, and he is going to talk to us about the new, recently launched Prime Dental, Vision, and Hearing products. So without further ado, I'm going to swing it over to you, Jesse, and welcome to our webinar today, Jesse.
All righty. Thank you, Todd. Very much appreciate the opportunity to address people here about our new product at SureBridge. Just a little bit of update with SureBridge. Chesapeake Life, we're out of North Richland Hills, Dallas, Texas. It's pretty much Dallas, Texas, and that's where our home office is. And Todd, if you go ahead and change, we'll just go ahead and kind of update you about some of the changes that's taken place. Right now, Chesapeake Life, we have been purchased by UH1, United Health One, and our ratings have changed now from a B+ to an A- excellent. So as of February 1st, we are owned by United Health Group. So we went from a company of roughly 400 employees now to a company of about 307,000 employees. Now, we are looking at this product. We look at the dental, vision, hearing as one of the fastest growing supplemental markets that we have. And currently we've done over $134 million in 2018. What I want to update you just a little bit is that I just read an article about wellness benefits, and vision, dental, and hearing seem to be the wellness benefits. And when I look at our product portfolio, I look at all of our products as either income replacement or wellness. So the dental, vision, hearing are the wellness benefits. This was according to PricewaterhouseCoopers Health Research. I'll just read you a paragraph here. Annual report. Poor wellness and prevention habits are once again expected to drive up medical costs in 2019. Rising healthcare costs and high utilization of benefits have plagued employers for years. At first, wellness programs seemed promising with its health-conscious workforce, but the return on investment for these programs have also presented some challenges. So how can employers and agents win with this ongoing cost battle for healthy, productive employees and clients? One important way is to improve wellness is to promote good oral and vision habits. Dental and vision insurance promotes the preventive care and contribute to the overall health and wellness. These benefits help pay for services typically not covered by private medical plans, filling the gaps to maintain oral and eye health. More importantly, routine dental and vision exams may help decrease the number of claims from other or more costly plans. So this is why we've come out with dental, vision, and hearing, a comprehensive plan that gives the client freedom of choice. Go ahead and make the change. Now, all of our products are underwritten by Chesapeake Life, and we look at this market with over 37 million traditional Medicare fee-for-service enrollees. Only 21% own private dental insurance. So we're looking at 1 out of 5. Over 8 million Medicare Advantage enrollees and plans with no embedded dental coverage. So there's a big opportunity if you're selling Medicare Advantage. Now, the Medicare Advantage plan with embedded dental, very limited benefit. I know I was looking at one the other day just so they could say they had dental insurance. The dental benefit was like $100 that they would pay towards a preventive exam, so that was not enough there. So there's a big opportunity there. And roughly 1 in 4 Americans don't have dental coverage right now, according to the figures that we've been studying. So if we take a look at this, go ahead and change. We look at our new plan with dental, hearing, and vision. Regular cleanings and checkups detect oral cancer and spreading up by 90%. And this was kind of that first paragraphs I read about that study. Gum disease, gingivitis, prevent cavities, tooth loss, and bad breath. I know as a child, it was always, we did not go to the dentist that often, but it was like all of a sudden, it's been 2 or 3 years since I've been to the dentist, and I would go, and it's like some days, it's like, oh, you have 3 cavities, you have 4 cavities or 6, and it's just because we didn't go every day when we were growing up, and this is, 50 years ago, 60 years ago. So now we go every 6 months, and we don't end up having a big major issue. Now, if we take a look at the hearing, we have hearing loss as a big issue, third most common health problem in the U.S., linked to cognitive decline, brain tissue loss, depression, dementia, and 28.8 million adults in the U.S. could benefit from using hearing aids. I don't know if you've seen that new commercial that's on TV where a father and a son, they're working in a wood shop, talking about, I love you, and he just doesn't seem to hearing until he gets his hearing aids. So that's just kind of one that kind of brings me back. Vision, exams are often the first to detect chronic disease, high cholesterol, diabetes, and hypertension. And now when I was in school, they discovered that I needed glasses, and that was about the 5th grade. And as I will tell you, when the teacher said that I could not see the blackboard, well, nowadays we talk to kids about that. They're not quite for sure what the blackboard is because they're using iPads and computers, but they still have vision issues. So we take a look at all this and go ahead and make the change, is that, the statistics about this, we keep seeing the cost continuously go up. So when we look at our dental, vision, hearing insurance plan designed for today's consumer, we really want these people to take advantage of the appointments. Preventive dental is covered at 100% from day one with no deductible. So they can buy the plan today, they can go in tomorrow, and they can have the exam. And they can go in-network or out-of-network. The vision and hearing exams are covered at 100% from day one with no deductible. So they can have the exams right there. I know my vision exam here in Omaha, Nebraska will run about $180 on the average. And if I go to using my vision insurance, I have covered at 100%. There's no waiting periods for basic. There's a 9-month waiting period for major dental procedures. So that's usually your class 3 charges. Most of my competition has a 12-month waiting period for that. We're at a 9-month. So our premiums are very fair. And the insured can provide or can visit any provider they choose. So we don't have a set network. I know if you do go in network with the Carrington Network, you get better prices, but you do have the freedom to pick and choose where you want to go. It'll just depend on the reimbursement. And so in a lot of small rural communities, you'll find that many dentists are not part of networks, so this works very well. Go ahead and change. So what's nice about this product is we have issue ages 0 to 90, so we're both in the under 65 market and the over 65 market. And you can cover individuals or you can cover the entire family. You'll have a rate per person. Guaranteed issue, there's no health questions, guaranteed renewable for life. So you have 3 options. You can pick, like ABC or, low, medium, high, or good, better, best. Anywhere from a benefit from $1,000 to $1,500 to $2,000 per person per policy year. You're going to have a $100 deductible per person per year, but that's not going to apply to preventive dental or vision or hearing exams because they're still covered at 100%. Now, like I said, you get to choose any provider that you want. You're just not limited. So if you have an eye doctor that you go to, but they're not part of IMED or a dentist that's not part of Carrington, you can still use them. It's just that you're going to have some cost share. As we go on here, you click the preventive type benefits, type 1, once every 6 months, oral examinations and reevaluations. So every 6 months you can go into, so you're into that habit of always having that checkup. The basic dental benefits, the type 2, basic restorative services, fillings, diagnostic films, those types of things are there. And then the major, that's the stuff that seems to be expensive. I know last time that I got a crown, it was quite expensive. But you can get the dentures, the bridges, All that is there. Continue on. Now, when we take a look at the waiting period, like I said, Type 1 and Type 2 has no waiting period. You can go in tomorrow. Type 3 has a 9-month, and you can see that the coverage amount for the preventive is 100% in all years. There's no deductible. But with our plan, the Type 2 and Type 3 starts out as a coverage amount of 60%, but then it grows each year. This plan was designed for the agent and the consumer to help build better persistency, because the longer that you own this plan, the more benefit that you're going to receive. So instead of having a lot of replacement coverage every year and starting over, here you have an incentive to keep it so that your benefits continue to improve. Moving on, you look at the hearing examination. It's going to help with purchase of hearing aids. You're looking at discounts there and any type of repairs that you have. I know in our family, I have one son who has a hearing loss, and the hearing aids are very, very expensive, but they're very modern now, with a lot of computer technology and things. But he benefits greatly with this, and I know he's going to be getting one of these plans here because he's going to have some additional costs with this. Now, you can go to True Hearing, so you're going to be able to get the savings discounts. There's 3,800 nationwide providers, so it's not like you're not going to be able to find one. And I know if we looked in, online to see where stores are located, I'm sure we could find one in our community. The vision benefits, we use iMed, and you'll find a large number of people that participate in the iMed network. So you can get your eye exam, contact lenses, the frames. I believe it's up to $120 with iMed. So you can get all that done with vision benefits. Probably a lot of the iMed people that participate in this, doctors, probably pretty much everybody but Costco and Sam's. You're going to have Target in there, Pearl Vision, Quality Eye Care. So you're going to have those. Moving on, you take a look at the DVH vision hearing benefits. The exam, like I said, covered immediately day one. And then you can see no coverage until the hardware for 9 months. And then combined benefits, $200 per year. And the hearing, it's covered immediately. And the coverage amount, 75 max. And you can see the 9-month wait on that. But you can see that years 1, 2, and 3 continues to improve with the increased benefit. Now, the next thing I want to show you are the premiums that we have available. So you can see that whenever age that you buy the premium at, the rates are not going to change. They're going to stay the same. So if you buy it at 41, when you turn 65 or turn 66, the rates are not going to go from 29 to 38. They're going to stay level at 29 if you bought that $1,000 benefit. So the sooner that you buy, you have a much, premium that's going to be more affordable as time goes on. So you've got, plan A, B, and C, or, $1,000, $1,500, or $2,000. So you can pick and choose what plan you want to have. So I think those premiums I would find very competitive and affordable for the agent and the client. Taking a look at our competition, moving on, you can see that the SureBridge versus competitor A and B, we're all pretty much about the issue ages, but we're up to age 90, whereas the competitor's 89 or 85. Premiums guaranteed renewable for life. And we have the $2,000 per year benefit versus the competitors have $1,500. Same annual deductible. And you can see that the dental preventive, we're at 100% in all years. There's no waiting period. There's no deductible. And you can see the competition starts out at 60 and then grows to 70 and 80 as you own it. So our plan has a better benefit there, right there. And then basic, waiting period none, and then dental major, vision, you can see the samples there. And then as you get down there, you can see the premiums that we have, and I think they're all pretty much in line. When we look at our $1,500 benefit level, competitor B is a little higher than what we are, but when you take a look at A, we're all right in line with just a few cents difference. I think it's 80 cents difference or $1.92, so there's not much difference there in the premium. So let's think about your client base that you currently have, your current in-force client base, and take a look and see how many of those have dental, vision, and hearing coverage. You might want to be tapping into that. So as I ask you, moving on, you just have to ask, when was the last time you had your teeth cleaned? Saw your optometrist, completed a hearing exam. So you can be able to engage this consumer thinking about this product. And so we're all well aware, as being an agent, that traditional Medicare doesn't cover dental, vision exams, anything like that, or hearing exams. Those are all out-of-pocket expenses that the seniors need to pay for. So this is if you're working at senior market, selling Med Sups or Medicare Advantage, you have an opportunity there to bring this new product to your current client and new clients that you can prospect for. So taking a look at what's next is that coming to a state near you. Currently, right now, we just rolled out. We had April 19th rollout, and then we just had our rollout here in May last week. And so we have Colorado, Idaho, Illinois, Louisiana, Minnesota, New Mexico, South Dakota, and Wyoming. And then in June, we have more states rolling out, and that's going to be, I don't have the entire list on that, but we are going to have some more states rolling out. I know Texas will be rolling out then, and I think North Dakota will be rolling out in June. I think it's June 19th. So you'll have Texas, North Dakota, and a few other states. So what's nice about this product is it's guarantee issued. Underwriting turnaround times are less than 24 hours, but you need to be appointed through Senior Insurance Marketing, and you can do this underwriting and enrollment application, all electronic. You can do it from your desk. You can do it by phone, by email, or text message to be able to get the app all signed. And at SureBridge, we pay commissions twice a week. So things turn fast. We pay commissions every Tuesday and Thursday. And as an agent, I like that. So the turnaround times, I said, over 99% of our cases are issued same day. Commissions are figured twice a week. So I want you to think about how you can introduce this product, the DVH product, into your product portfolio for your current client base and your new clients that you're going to be prospecting for. So I want you to reach back to Todd at Senior Insurance Marketing to be able to get appointed, and that takes about 5 to 7 days, and then you're ready for selling. So I want you to get all appointed and trained prior to open enrollment so that you're ready to go, because I know that a lot of agents will wait for the last minute to get appointed, and there's always a backlog because everybody wants to get appointed at the same time. So step up now, get appointed, and you'll be ready to start sending business and be all trained prior to open enrollment. I know it's a ways away, but we all procrastinate. Again, I thank you very much. And Todd, I'll turn it back to you. And if you have any questions or anything, please let us know. And like I said, with this plan, you have the ability to go in-network or out-of-network. You're not limited. So you get to pick and choose where you want to go and who you want to do business with that you're used to. Again, thank you very much. And Todd, it's back to you.
Thanks, Jesse. What a great product with dental, vision, and hearing, and also the benefits were on some of them where you can get the benefit right away. So it's an awesome product. And give us a call here at Senior Insurance Marketing. We'll be glad to get you contracted with this product. I know it's just introduced to some of the states, but also more states will be coming in June and July and in the months to come as well too. So give us a call here at Senior Insurance Marketing. We'll be happy to get you contracted with this company, with SureBridge, and get you started with a dental, vision, and hearing. And also, if you have questions about any other products or need a quote or anything like that, we're here to help you grow your business. So give us a call at 877-800-3080, and we'll be happy to help you out. So take care, everyone, and see you next Tuesday.